The Casper One is Casper's new base model, and it comes in at about a 7 out of 10 firmness, slightly firmer than average with a balanced foam feel. You get a bit of contouring and pressure relief without feeling stuck, making it ideal for back sleepers and good for many combo sleepers who switch positions at night. Side sleepers may notice some shoulder and hip pressure, so strict side sleepers may prefer the softer Casper Cloud. Light to average weight, stomach sleepers should be fine, though heavier sleepers may need more support. Motion transfer is well controlled, since it's all foam, so couples won't disturb each other much. Construction includes a breathable knit cover, responsive bead flex foam on top, aligned mamby foam for extra support and contouring, and a durable Casper core foam base. A queen runs about $1,000 with discounts, and you get a 100-night trial, 10-year warranty, and free shipping. Overall, it's a solid value for back sleepers and combo sleepers who like a balanced foam feel, but not the best pick if you want soft, plush comfort or the deep, slow sinking memory foam experience. Do your own research.